is year 3 here in our food forest. This space has been built out. We planted persimmons and Asian pears and plums. Each year we're coming in and adding more perennial food crops. We're building out little by little, but there's still way more to go.
It's been a labor of love for sure, because each year we're planting new things. We do have a lot of space to work with, and we're still trying to build the infrastructure that we need. So last summer we were able to install this fence that would keep out the deer. And then this year we could focus a little bit more on, what is our design and intention for the food forest, but we still require a lot logistically to be able to, achieve this dream of having a campus food forest.
The 10-year goal is to make this a space where we can teach all about the perennial foods that are here, but also have it be a spot where we can say, okay, it's time to come and pick this, and let people come in and pick and eat. It should be a space not just for our campus community, but our surrounding community to come and get delicious food to add to their diet.
As an educational institution, it's our job to show all the ways that we can feed people. So it's a community resource, it's an educational resource, it's a place for us to play and experiment as well. We have, many different ideas that we'd like to play with on plants that will do well in this space and represent to the community maybe something a little bit different on how you can design a food forest.